Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Fiverr account permanently. So for this, first of all, just open up the Google Chrome or any browser and then search for Fiverr application. And now you have to sign into your Fiverr account. And when you are logged into your account, just tap on your profile icon at the top right and then tap on this settings icon. When you are in settings, you have to scroll down and you will find this option account deactivation, and you can read these instructions as well. Your portfolio and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr and active orders will be cancelled. You won't be able to reactivate your gigs, and when you are agree on these conditions, then you have to choose a reason that why you are deleting your account. So let's say I want to choose this, I have another Fiverr account as well, and then you can describe as well, but this is optional. And after doing all these things, you can just tap on this deactivate account and your Fiverr account will be deactivated permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.